Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry, actually yesterday I was busy, so I was not able to do the market insights for today. So that was the reason there was no video I uploaded. So let's discuss like how the market happened today and how it is going to perform tomorrow. We'll discuss on that. So actually in last Friday, I think I gave an insight on the video. If you see, it is still market is in the same range. Okay. So if you see today's market, right? So for example, this is the 15 minutes chart. So if you see today is like 11th, right? So it started maybe like flat, almost like 40 minutes gap down. So it was like 19, then it is in the same range, right? So the previous day higher low it didn't break. So today it is sideways market. I also didn't trade anything. So whenever you know that market is in a sideways, right, and whenever you have some support and resistance, right, we should always wait. Either it should break, for example, 24,889, or it should break 24,515, right? So then only we can see some momentum, especially for the option buyers who are doing the option buying, right? So for them, momentum is very important. So if you're taking any trade today, right, it will be like choppy. Either it would have stop loss or it would like from few points actually it would have been. So always see the momentum and then take it. And even though if you don't take trade, then fine, but don't take trade and then market will be in the sideways. Then it will be good for the option sellers, but not for the option buyers. Today option sellers would have done great money because of the decay and all everything. So tomorrow it's same, right? So if you see in the daily chart, okay, so if you can see, right, this is the thing. So market is actually whenever 24,529 or like 514, when it breaks down, then it can go on try to touch 24,287. That will be the first support, I can say. The resistance will be like whenever it breaks, right? For example, tomorrow market opens, right? And let's go to 15 minutes chart and talk, because that will give clarity. There is no change in support and resistance. This resistance 24,822 will remain same. So whenever, for example, tomorrow market will be flat or gap up happen, right? So whenever it can try to go till 24,882, if you see first 50 minutes candle is gap up, and whenever it breaks, you can try to take it trade, and it will go till 24,882. If that will be the first resistance, right? So if there is a, if you see multiple times 24,882, it has actually gone. So if you see, this is the thing, right? It went exactly and then sharp reversal came. So 24,882 or 24,800, you can say that will be the good the resistance. If that breaks, definitely it will go 25,000, 25,000 or 25,220. It will try to break. So in upcoming days, that is the resistance. So if it is like a flat or gap down happens, right? So 24,514 will be a support, first support. If that also breaks, definitely will go on touch 24,300 range. So if that also breaks, then it will go 24,145, 24,000. So that will be the support and resistance for the intraday, I can say. So still I say, right, either you take after 24,900 something, or 24,500. If it breaks, you can do that. For example, if it comes 24,500 and then if you see any reversal, then you can plan for the trade and see for the 24,900 is the support, sorry, the resistance. So that will be the Nifty option. So then go to Sensex, right? Sensex is same thing. So it is in the same bond actually. So tomorrow, for example, say whenever it breaks 82,300 some range, right, then it can try to go and touch 83,116. That is the first target. Okay, 83,345 breaks, then it will break. Let me go to daily frame. Sorry. Okay, so if it breaks 82,340, then definitely it will go and touch 83,388. Because if you see, there is nothing in between. So whenever it breaks 82,319 and there's a strong bullish candle, if you see it, definitely you can target it for 80,368. That can be that. If that also breaks, it will try to fill this gap. If you see, there's a gap actually in October 1st and October 3rd, right? With this gap, it will try to fill for sure. So whenever in upcoming days, if you find any trade in between the ranges, please try to take the trade and see, like, based on the support and resistance, you can plan it accordingly. See, always take your trade according to your analysis. So I'm not linear to take a trade means you should be taking based on the support resistance and based on your results and all, you can take a trade. Okay. So if for example, for example, If it breaks 81,170, right, it will try to go touch to 80,545 because many times it touched. If you see many times it come to this range and went back. So then that's the range. So if it breaks 80,500, then 79,700 will be the next support because there also if you see multiple times came and went. So there are multiple supports are there. I don't see like it will fall down immediately, but you have to be like very careful. Best see however the market trend, stick to that. Don't believe like what will happen tomorrow and all. That's what I will say. So if it breaks going up, so this will be the resistance. If that also breaks, then the resistance will be the 80,300. That is the thing because there's nothing. So but what if it breaks, right? There are multiple supports in the intraday. So accordingly you can draw the supports and you can trade accordingly. Okay. So when I'm free, right, I will try to make some videos of some order types and also I'll discuss on the some of the stocks actually, so that actually you can do the analysis and take trade for intraday or like positional and all. So let me tell you one trade also I can talk about. So that is like a Bajaj Finance. I know that I'm just telling you one of the thing because I don't have time to make another video. So if you go to Bajaj Finance, right, if you see daily candle, if I go, this is again for the not recommendation. Right? I'm telling you my analysis. Okay. If you see Bajaj Finance multiple times, right? So if you see this was a strong support 64,990. If you see last time also it came to this range and it went beautiful, right? This time also if it came last again. It came this time again 24,465. It went and again it tried to retest and then it is going. So what I will say, right? So you can plan something like, see, this is hurdle. Only hurdle I will see is 7,000, 7,000 or something. So multiple times you try to test. So whenever, any time in future, right? If it breaks this range, 70,000, 15, and definitely it will go on touch 70,300 and all. So if that also breaks, it will try to go on touch all time high. So always see because if the fundamentals are strong, right? So there is nothing like we can change. So always try. I am the guy who will try to get the stock at the bottom level. So I actually taken a trade which is at around this range, 60,500, 6,500 or something. So actually I've taken initially somewhere, then actually I averaged out because this was a very good support. Actually, you work for the monthly demand zone, right? If you select a monthly or weekly chart trade, if you go to longer time frame, you see this was a very good support which one 60,000%. So whenever it came to this range, definitely you should be trying to trade because if you see last time when it comes, how the big actually it went. So immediately it fell apart. So definitely there are a lot of orders will be there who want to buy the like institution buyers and all, right. Usually they'll take when there is they get at lower price. So when there is a good demand zone is there, you can try for a trade and exit according to the next upcoming supply zone. Okay, that is what is. If you see the weekly chart, all same thing. Last time, if you see exactly 6,400 came and it went a very good rally till 7,700. Same way, I'm expecting here it came 6,446. It will because you can see the pattern how it is like. It will come here, come here, like it is really forming like a higher and higher it is forming. If you see now also, so that's why now also it came to this 6,460. I'm expecting it will go like all time or like at least the first one will be like this range. Okay, weekly if it will say this will be 7,300. So that will be the target. After that, if it breaks, definitely it will go into 7,600, 7,700 actually. So because 7,700, I can see like there is a big like bearish candle. So there are also so always safer target to 7,700. If that also break, then it will go try to go touch all time high for sure. So that will be my view on the Nifty and Sensex and also Bajaj Finance. So you do well analysis before taking any trade and always take risk management into the picture. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.